guys, Superman12874 here. Well, that's what I'm in this video to announce. It's not that anymore. I just totally redid my channel. It is now XMJack27. I just think it kind of is easier. It stands for Extreme Minecraft. So yeah, I'm just looking at myself in the mirror. See? It's right over there. To make it a bit less awkward, yeah. Inception, it sounds so stupid. I am stupid, if you didn't know. But anyways, yeah. I'm just doing that. I created some new channel art. You can see it. The name is still strangely loaded, though. So, be on the lookout for that. And, joined by a special... No. That's for my cousin. Anyways, this is just a quick little vlog posting from my phone. Finally figured out how to use my phone's backward camera, so these will be a bit more high quality. And see you guys in the next vlog or video. And I know I haven't posted anything for a while because I have a lot of schoolwork. Middle school is just, it's great. Wonderful. It's fun. See you in the next video. Bye. Volume button. I will find you.